Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a quick sitting down pose. So we're going to show a person sitting down, and it'll be essentially a very popular pose that we see in different media, in ads. In fact, if you Google it, you will see several of these showing up, and you could pick one and go with it, or we can just review this right here in the video. So we need an arc, lower part of the body right there. I'm going to place one leg in this way. So that's the knee, that is the the thigh, the shin, and the foot will be somewhere there. The other leg, whichever apart it is, I'm going to put it down like that. So flat surface, and the shoulder set is like right here. So now we're showing this from the side and not from an angle, but of course with the slightest tilt it could change, but let's just do it this way. We have the arm here, there's the collar structure, so we'll put down a head right there. To begin, flatter on this side so that he's looking this way, the figure is looking this way, so a little bit of perspective there. We're not exactly showing it from the side, so realistically a little bit of perspective. There's the chest, the middle part of the body, and of course it's essentially curled like that. We'll be showing the back going like that, and we can do a variety of things with this arm here. So right now, to begin, I'm placing it right here. There's the hand. Bring it in a little bit. Elbow, hand. Okay, so the elbow is actually around, not this one here. We'll work with this one to begin. So I'm going to start it out. So the hand is in the foreground, so we start with that. We can start with that. I'm going to go and put the hand here. Alright, so we are going to bring up that thigh, shin, knee, and part of that thigh right there. Or you could bring it up further and you could have the hand rest here if you want to show that he has a beefier thigh. In this case it's a he, could be a she, but then again, with that, certain aspects of the drawing will change. So right now there's the ear. Okay, so eyes, nose, and mouth. It's very basic, just pulling a generic feel here to this whole thing. And again, so bent inwards a little bit, and I bring up the other leg right there, and I'm going to go along this inner hand and finger, thumb, and I rested the hand on the thigh right there. And of course right here it's up to us if you want to give him boots, you want to give him just, if he's barefoot, again all the details will change. Now that leg that we have here. It could be resting straight on the ground. The only dynamic that will change is that it will just sit flatter. You could have this hand going backward, and of course, in which case you will need to put in the anatomy accordingly. Right, so he could be sitting there, or you could have him, so this hand here, you could do so many things with this. So you could also bring up this thigh more here, but it'll get closer in that case, like inward, so the chin and everything will come in, and you could actually have, you could move the head, you could tilt it forward, you could have the hand here, could be a fist as well, but does not need to be a fist. And you could have the head resting on the hand like this. So like there's so many things that you can do with this pose, and really if you look into it, you could have like so much going here, in the sense that, I mean, if you choose to give him, you know, some like a particular dress, you know, maybe jeans and maybe a suit, there can be so many things that we can achieve with this pose. So please do check it out and try your own different variations. Have fun. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a very wonderful day.